May I come in, sir?
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please sit.
Thank you, sir.
Introduce yourself.
Sir, myself Jaideep Gulia. I am from Bahadurgarh, Haryana, and I am 18 years old. I have completed my 10th and 12th from CBSE board, and I have secured 88% in class 10th and 77.2% in class 12th aggregate and 68% in PCM.
Okay.
In my family, apart from my parents, I have elder sister and grandmother. And my hobbies include watching and playing cricket.
Watching and playing cricket. Who is your favorite cricket player?
And my favorite cricket player is Rohit Sharma.
And why?
Sir, because he is a very good batsman and he plays with responsibility and he always try to give chance to youngsters.
Okay. But like in this World Cup final, people are saying, and I personally feel that he was not responsible because he was not playing responsibly, because he was playing very good, and just on 48 runs, he played a very bad shot while it was a final of World Cup, and he got out. So what is your view on that?
Yes, sir, you are right that he played irresponsible shot at that moment because at that time he was thinking that there is batting lineup was very good and his mindset was like that team can handle the situation. So he was trying to score from one end and he was thinking that from other end the wickets will be saved, but that doesn't work, sir.
Okay, but once again I'm saying that as a captain, when you are playing World Cup final and there are good chances to win that match, you can play a bit slow and you can play responsibly so that you can play for around 20-25 overs and hit a century and create a good score. So I don't think that this was the good captain's attitude.
Yes, sir, I agree with you. He should improve this.
And like, what are the negative things about Rohit Sharma?
Sir, one of the negative things about Rohit Sharma is his fitness. He is not very serious about his fitness, but he plays very good.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which one is your favorite movie?
Sir, movie I have recently watched Sam Bahadur movie, and I personally like that movie.
And which one is the second favorite?
Sir, second favorite I watched sir Lakshya movie.
Lakshya.
Yes, sir.
So in Lakshya movie, there is the character. What is the name of that character? Hrithik Roshan played that character.
Hrithik Roshan, sir, Karan Shergill.
Karan Shergill. So Karan Shergill initially he was not serious about his life, but after some time he got serious. Can you tell me like 3 negative things of that character?
Sir, initially he was when he was in college and he was also he was very irresponsible. But after that he realized that he has to do something in his life that he has decided. So
that I know, that I have told you. I'm asking 3 negative things about that character.
3 negative thing, sir, he should improve that his mindset, because from initial days, if he would be serious, so he could become he could early join the academy and he could do more well in army career.
Okay. Anything else you want to improve in that character?
Sir, character was very good apart from this.
In the end, he has taken a huge risk because out of 12 people, 6 were dead. And if he would not get success in his mission, that door was also closed for other battalions. What do you think about that? That step was good or bad?
Sir, at that step, sir, it's totally depend upon mindset, and it's an officer-like quality that how we respond to any situation, and it was a very crucial situation for Indian Army and for the whole country. So I think that that step taken was very good by him, because if at that moment he would not take that step, so due to that militants could capture that part of area, that part of country.
Okay. Okay, why do you want to join Merchant Navy?
Sir, my reasons to join Merchant Navy are that we get ample opportunities in this career and we have regular promotions, and also we get financial independence at very young age, and also we get a chance to work with international crew and know their culture.
Okay. What is your father's profession?
Sir, my father is a private employee in health insurance company.
Okay, okay, okay. So he's selling health insurance or something.
No, sir, he is like serving in health insurance company which provides service to the people.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Like, what is his job profile?
His job profile, sir, he takes the policies of people to and he consult them to join the and take the benefits of health insurance.
So he's a consultant.
Yes, sir, a type of.
Okay, okay, okay. And why are you not interested in that? That is a noble job actually. When you are giving them someone, you are consulting and telling them why health insurance is important.
Yes, sir, it's a very good job, but in that career we are not given very many opportunities. It is a limited type of job and promotions are very late.
Okay, 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 okay. What is the job role of second mate?
Second mate, sir, the main role of second mate is to make the passage plan for the voyage.
Anything else?
Sir, I remember this only.
10 different parts of a ship.
Sir, one is propeller, bridge, Monkey Island, that radar, ACDIS, and GMDSS, compass, steering, and sir, engine room.
Okay. What is first law of thermodynamics?
First law of thermodynamics is based on conservation of energy, and it states that if the total heat given is equal to the total internal energy and the heat used in work done.
Formula?
Formula is equal to del Q is equal to del U plus del W.
Okay. What is ideal gas equation?
Ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT.
What is the value of R?
Sir, R value is 8.303.
Unit.
Unit, sir. Sorry, sir, don't remember it.
Okay. What is the value of capital G?
Sir, capital G value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square.
Okay. What is a geostationary satellite?
Sir, geostationary satellite is a type of satellite which revolves with respect to the planet, and for the planet it is for geostationary satellite frame of reference is constant or at rest.
Frame of reference is at rest.
Yes, sir. For like geostationary satellite, Earth is frame of reference.
Okay.
And for Earth, it is at rest.
Okay. What is its distance from Earth?
Sir, it is near about 36,000 kilometers.
From the surface of Earth or the center of Earth?
Surface of the Earth.
Okay. What is escape velocity?
Sir, escape velocity is the minimum velocity required to send an object out of the Earth's gravitational field.
Okay. And what is its value for Earth?
For Earth, its value is 11.2 meter per second square.
Okay. Are you sure?
11.2 meter per second.
Okay. What is the difference between kinetic and static friction?
Sir, kinetic friction is for a moving object, and static friction is for the object at rest.
Which one is constant?
Sir, static friction is constant.
Okay. Okay. What is the full form of radar and sonar?
Sir, full form of sonar is sound navigation and ranges, and sir, full form of radar I don't remember at this moment.
Okay. Can you tell me 5 different countries in Asia?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
One is India, China, Pakistan, Mongolia, Russia, and Myanmar.
Their capitals.
Sir, India capital is New Delhi. Pakistan capital is Islamabad. China capital is Shanghai. Russia's capital is Moscow, and Myanmar capital is sorry, sir, I don't know.
Okay. Japan is surrounded by 4 islands, or it is something like that. It is a mixture of 4 islands. Can you tell me the name of those 4 islands?
Sir, one is Hiroshima, one is Nagasaki,
Okay.
and sir, other two I don't know.
Okay. Can you tell me the sea route from Mumbai to UK?
Sir, the sea route from Mumbai to UK is, first we have to go to Red Sea, then we have to cross the Suez Canal, after that Mediterranean Sea, and then from Strait of Gibraltar to English Channel.
Okay. What is the difference between canal and this strait?
Sir, canal is a man-made structure, while strait is a natural, and canal is smaller in length, and strait is bigger as compared to canal.
Okay. Three canals. Name 3 canals.
Sir, Suez Canal, Panama Canal, and sir, Baltic Sea Canal.
Okay. 5 continents.
Sir, Asia, Europe, Australia, Africa, South America, and North America.
5 oceans.
Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Which one is the deepest?
Deepest is sir Pacific Ocean.
Okay. What is peninsula?
Sir, peninsula is the land area which is surrounded by 3 sides by water.
Name 2 peninsulas.
Sir, one is Africa and one is India.
Okay. Okay, Jagdeep. So, चलो एक बार एनालिसिस करते हैं पूरे की. ठीक है. वैसे तुम्हारा पीसीएम थोड़ा सा कम है, 68% है, तो एंग्लो वाला चांस तो नहीं बन रहा है, लेकिन बाकी कंपनीज के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं. नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं थोड़े और वैरायटी वाले क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा. अभी मैंने काफी बेसिक क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं, तो मैं बता दे रहा हूँ. फोकस और कॉन्फिडेंस तुम्हारा अच्छा है, आई कॉन्टेक्ट सही है, एटीट्यूड ठीक है, अपीयरेंस अच्छा है. स्पोकन इंग्लिश में 3 नंबर दे रहा हूँ, थोड़ी बहुत चेंजेस और करने पड़ेंगे. पैशन वाले जो क्वेश्चन थे वो भी बिल्कुल ठीक थे. नॉलेज ऑफ मर्चेंट नेवी भी ठीक है. एम्बिशन में तुमने बस एक चीज ही बोली कि जैसे रोहित शर्मा तुम्हारा फेवरेट प्लेयर है, तो तुम्हारे पास रोहित शर्मा की पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए. रोहित शर्मा का जो फिटनेस लेवल है ना, जनरली लोगों को लगता है कि रोहित शर्मा फिट नहीं है, बट रोहित शर्मा फिट है. जब उसने एक बार अपना वेट लॉस किया था, तो उसके साथ में जो उसके पावर इश्यूज थे ना, जो अभी जैसे वो पावर हिटिंग करता है ना, उसको सब हिटमैन बोलते हैं, तो उसकी जो पावर है ना वो कम हो गई थी. सिक्सेस वो नहीं मार पा रहा था. बीच में उसने अपना वेट लॉस किया था, और इतने बड़े प्लेयर के लिए वेट लॉस करना इज नॉट अ बिग डील. मतलब आपको थोड़ी 2-3 चीजें करनी होंगी और आपका वेट लॉस अपने आप हो जाएगा. वो बहुत आराम से कर सकता है, बट उसने फिर वो बंद कर दिया है. तो जो पब्लिक ये बोलती रहती है ना कि रोहित शर्मा का फिटनेस लेवल ठीक नहीं है, फिटनेस लेवल ठीक नहीं है, बेवकूफ लोग हैं. इनको ये नहीं पता है कि कौन सा आदमी कब कैसे फिट होगा, कब नहीं होगा. रोहित शर्मा जैसा भी है, वो क्रिकेट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है. जो उसका खुद का क्रिकेट खेलने का तरीका है, उसके हिसाब से रोहित शर्मा परफेक्ट है. अब लोग उसका कंपैरिजन करते हैं कोहली के साथ में. उस हिसाब से अगर तुम सचिन तेंदुलकर को देखोगे तो सचिन तेंदुलकर भी फिट नहीं माना जाएगा, जबकि देखा जाए तो सबसे अच्छे शॉट्स उसको गॉड ऑफ क्रिकेट बोला जाता है. ठीक है. तो रोहित शर्मा भी अपने हिसाब से बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है, बिल्कुल फिट है. ये बस एक थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ था. वैसे मैंने नंबर तुम्हें वहां पे पूरे ही दिए हैं, मूवी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी और रोहित शर्मा के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी, क्योंकि तुमने आंसर को मैंने तुम्हें फंसाया था, तुमने बहुत आंसर आराम से उसको मैनिपुलेट कर लिया. 2-3 चीजें तुमने गड़बड़ करी है, जैसे एस्केप वेलोसिटी दैट इज 11.2 किलोमीटर पर सेकंड.
ओके सर.
काइनेटिक एंड स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन में स्टैटिक वेरिएबल होता है और काइनेटिक कांस्टेंट होता है. ग्राफ होता है ना, स्टैटिक ऊपर जाता है पहले और फिर काइनेटिक कांस्टेंट होता है. ठीक है. ये थोड़ा ध्यान से. सोनार और रेडार का फुल फॉर्म याद रखो, ये बहुत जरूरी है, मतलब बहुत ही बेसिक क्वेश्चन है. कंट्रीज की कैपिटल याद रखो. जैसे मैं एशिया की कंट्रीज पूछता हूँ ना, तो लोग तुरंत 4-5 बता देते हैं. उनको ये नहीं पता होता कि मैं ये भी पूछूंगा.
Sir, afterwards I realized that I tell the wrong capital of China.
Yeah.
It was Beijing. I told Shanghai.
और म्यांमार का तो बोला ही नहीं.
Yes sir.
तो ये, और अभी अगर तुम बोल देते ना ये कैपिटल, तो मैं पूछता कि यहाँ की करेंसी क्या है. तो तुम ये तीनों ही चीजें याद, मतलब जनरली सबको यही करना चाहिए। जापान जो है वो हिरोशिमा और नागासाकी नहीं है, वो उसके शहर है दो। वहां पे कुछ 4 आइलैंड है जो मुझे, जिनमें से होशु, क्यूशु, शिकाकू, ये 3 मुझे याद है, चौथा मुझे नहीं याद है, तुम लोगों को देखना चाहिए। वो 4 आइलैंड से बना हुआ है या घिरा हुआ है, इस तरीके का है, बहुत फेमस है ये क्वेश्चन, ठीक है। तो ये एक गड़बड़ था, बाकी तो सारी चीजें सही है, मतलब आई एम क्वाइट सेटिस्फाइड विद दिस। तो अगर मैं इसमें से, मतलब अब हम लोग ऑब्वियसली बात है कि ये जो शीट है ये तो एंग्लो ईस्टर्न के हिसाब से हम देखते हैं, तो अगर मैं वो 18 मार्क्स वो हटा दूं पीसीएम वाले, और 4 नंबर अभी मैं ऐसे के हटा दूं, तो 50 और उसमें से 18 और जाएगा तो इट विल बी 32। आउट ऑफ 32 में तुम्हें मार्क्स दे रहा हूँ, तो यू आर गेटिंग 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25। यू आर गेटिंग 25 आउट ऑफ 32। दैट इज क्वाइट गुड मार्क्स। पर इसका मतलब अब ये है कि तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू एक लेवल और ऊपर उठाया जा सकता है, ठीक है। तो नेक्स्ट जब इंटरव्यू होगा तो उसमें, अभी जैसे मैंने दोनों के 8-8 क्वेश्चन पूछे, नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं तुमसे ज्यादा क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा। गेट रेडी फॉर दैट, ओके। ऑल द बेस्ट। कुछ और तुम्हें पूछना है अपने एंड पे?
Sir, I am bit confused in that what I have to say at that point. Like my PCM percentage is 68%.
ना कोई इशू नहीं।
So if they will ask that why this is dropped from 88 in 10th from to 68.
So what is the reason?
Sir, I was preparing for NDA, so that's why I was unable to focus it.
So tell them about this. Tell them the reality. जब भी तुम रियलिटी बोलते हो ना, उसमें कॉन्फिडेंस अपने आप छुपा रहता है। अगर आप उसको छुपाने की कोशिश करोगे तो वो झूठ जैसी चीज होगी और वो पकड़ लेगा कहीं ना कहीं। तो अगर तुम मुझे कुछ झूठ बोलोगे तो मैं घुमा फिरा करके पकड़ लूंगा, लेकिन अगर तुम मुझे बोलोगे कि मैं एनडीए की प्रिपरेशन कर रहा था और उस मोमेंट पे मैं ऑब्जेक्टिव पे करते करते सब्जेक्टिव पे फोकस नहीं कर पाया एंड आई एम एक्सेप्टिंग माय मिस्टेक, मैं उसके आगे कुछ पूछूंगा ही नहीं। अभी तुम देखना, रवि सर का तुम सुनोगे ना, उन्होंने इंटरव्यूअर्स की बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात बताई है। इंटरव्यूअर्स समझ लो तुम्हारे पिताजी के लेवल पे बैठे हैं, उनको सब कुछ पता है और वो तुम्हारा झूठ कहीं ना कहीं से खींच करके निकाल लेंगे। लेकिन जब तुम ऑनेस्ट आंसर देते हो ना, तो वो तुम्हें फिर छेड़ेंगे नहीं। तो ऑनेस्ट आंसर है वही दो कि मेरा इस वजह से गड़बड़ हुआ, क्योंकि बाकी चीजें जो है ना तुम्हारी उस बात को बैक कर रही है, बाकी तुम्हारी जो नॉलेज है वो सारी चीजें उस चीज को बैक कर रही है, तो इंटरव्यूअर अपने आप तुम्हें एक्सेप्ट कर लेगा। ठीक है ना?
Thank you, sir.
ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट डियर।